This is part 2 of our garage renovation series. If you didn't see part 1, it was uploaded last Wednesday. We left off the last video with installing the cabinets on the wall. Now it's time to create a workbench counter. Brandon and his buddies cut 3/4 inch plywood using the table saw. He clamped the plywood to the cabinets and screwed them into place using 2-inch screws. The workbench does have an outlet in the center of the wall, so he used a multi-tool to cut the slot. He used 2.5-inch screws to secure the plywood to the wall. We did not have enough cabinets to place along the entire wall, so Brandon found some scrap wood lying around to create a holder for plywood to be placed between cabinets. We did this to optimize the counter space using the cabinets that we had. Next, Brandon bought wall control pegboards and electric drill storage racks from Amazon and installed them onto the plywood. Next, he installed aluminum plate sheets on the kickboards of the cabinets. He cut the sheets with metal shears and secured them utilizing sheet metal screws. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. Next, Brandon made a countertop with 3/4 inch plywood for the miter saw. He used 2x6 scrap wood that he cut down as a platform for the plywood. He made sure that the countertop was level. Last step was creating a cabinet from scratch to store our air compressor. The machine is very loud, so we wanted it stored away and out of sight. This cabinet was really tough to make because the garage floor was not level, so that is why you see a spacer underneath the wood. Brandon used a bunch of scrap wood from our outdoor kitchen project to create the frame of the cabinet. He used 3/4 inch sanded plywood for the shelves within the cabinet. He also used scrap wood for a place to put the shelf. We are almost to the end of the project. Next, Brandon used self-adhesive acoustic panels to help soundproof the cabinet. You can still hear the air compressor from other areas of the house, but it does help lower the volume. Last step was not filmed, which included creating the cabinet door. The door is composed of 3/4 inch sanded plywood and soft close hinges. I went back and painted it once it was completed. We hope that you all enjoyed this garage renovation series and hope that you continue to come back to watch our other projects. We hope that you have a great week. See you next time.